Hey everyone, it's Samuel Dennison here, your academic coach, and we're going to go over note taking today. So, when in Coursera, you can take notes. There is a note console over here. If you wanted to, you could click this All Notes button here, and it will take you to a new tab with all the notes that you have collected in Coursera throughout your coursework. You can also filter this list by clicking the drop box that says all notes, and you can filter it by module or by course that you've taken. When you're taking notes in a video, I'll let this one play in the background. When you're taking notes in a video, you can click the Save Notes button here, and it will save a screenshot image of what's on the actual video and the transcript of what was being said at the moment that you clicked. So it time captures exactly where you clicked so that you can get the context or whatever information that you're looking for from that particular part. If you're wanting to take more detailed notes, you can highlight text. And once you've highlighted the text, you can click the save note and you'll get again another time capture of where that text occurred in the actual video, as well as what that text said. If you wanted to add your own thoughts to these notes, whether it's just the screenshot or the actual transcript, you can add that here in the notes section, and you can type your your personal thoughts about what you read. So I'm having a little trouble spelling here, as you can tell, because my computer wants to act crazy. But you can see that you can type your notes there, you can save it, and you can edit it. And again, if you go to your all notes, you can find it and edit it some more if you wanted to. And again, it's giving you that time capture so that you have the exact spot in the video where those notes occurred, and you can reference that as well. And that is just a brief overview of how to take notes in Coursera.